First thing to do, run your system configuration and check what BIOS mode you're actually using. Don't forget to run it as an administrator. So from here, you can see our BIOS mode is running on UEFI. Okay, take note of that. Go ahead, minimize this and go to the search bar and search for command prompt. Make sure you run this as an administrator also. And from here, you just gonna have to follow everything I will put on this command prompt. Pay close attention. I'm gonna make sure to zoom this so you can see it very clear. Okay, from here you have to search for your text path and it's gonna load up this and show you this. And the next thing you have to input is list disk. And once you do that, it's going to show you here. So this is currently my drive C. I have only one, so you have to make sure you are going to be using the path whereby is your default. So for me now is my disk 0, and I'm just going to go ahead and type select disk 0. Hit your enter, and from here disk 0 is now the selected disk, and then we're going to go ahead and type in list partition. We're going to bring out all the partitions for you right here. And from here, you're just going to go ahead and select the one that has that shows system. In your case, it might be partition 2, but just make sure you have to select that path. So for my own case right now, my system is on partition 1, so I have to type select partition 1. All right, don't interchange these two things. You have to be very careful. Make sure you are selecting the type under system, which is partition 1. So right now my partition 1 is now the selected partition, and what I have to do right now is to assign letter. So from here I have to assign letter X. So this successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. So I have assigned letter X to that path. And from here, all I have to do right now is to go to my file explorer to show you guys that we have a new local disk here which shows X. So from here, we know that we are doing the right thing. So I have to go back to the command prompt. Okay guys, if you are actually enjoying this video up to this point, or it's actually helpful, go ahead, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you could support me. All right, so from the command prompt, all I need to do is to type in exit. And once I type exit, it's going to show me leaving this part. Yeah, that's good. And then I have to follow up with another line that says X, then the symbol there, and you hit your enter. Once you do this, the next thing you type is dir. So it's going to actually bring out this directory for you, and it's going to show you that there are actually 0 files, 1 directories, and you can see from here. Okay, so what we have to do next is go ahead and type cd EFI. So once we hit that, it's going to bring this out for us, and we follow up with the next command line, which is dir. And once you do that, it's going to actually bring this out for you. In my case, the directory here is ubuntu. In your case, it might be something else, but the operating system I want to remove right now is the ubuntu. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in rd followed by ubuntu. In your case, it might be linux or something else, but in my case it's ubuntu. So I have to go ahead and type rd ubuntu /s. Okay, so after I hit my enter, it's going to show me ubuntu. Are you sure? You have to type in capital letter Y, hold your shift and hit your Y. Make sure it's in capital letter. Then after you've done that and you hit your enter, it's going to bring out this part for you. And the next thing you have to type right now is dir. So after you've imputed your dir, you will see that from here, the directory for ubuntu has totally gone away. Okay, so once you see this, just go ahead and just type in exit, and you're done with the path. You can comfortably go right now and restart your computer, and that's everything for this video. Thank you. All right, If you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can support me. Okay, peace out. See you guys in the next one.